Okay, be honest. How many times have you said, I'm gonna get my life together, but 2 hours later you're in bed scrolling, avoiding everything? Yeah, same. I used to make all these promises to myself, write out the perfect plan, get all hype on Sunday, and then by Tuesday, completely flop. And no, I did not become a completely different person overnight, but I did find a few sneaky ways to outsmart my excuses and stay consistent. So if you're ready to become someone who follows through, finishes what she starts, and finally ready to feel in control again, this one is for you. Here are 7 easy ways to start building real discipline. Discipline isn't always about doing more. Sometimes it's about doing one thing that grounds you. For me, it is my morning coffee. Your anchor task is something that signals to your brain, hey, we're in motion now. It's like pressing the start button for your day. Once you do that one thing, your day just flows better. You want to pick something that makes you feel productive, clean, and clear. We think discipline is going 100% or nothing at all, but that mentality is actually keeping you stuck. You don't need to have the perfect morning routine, eat the perfect meals, or finish your whole to-do list. You don't have time for your full workout, walk for 15 minutes. You didn't journal this morning, write down 3 thoughts before bed. Real discipline is built in the in-between moments, not the perfect ones. If you cannot trust your willpower, don't. You want to set up systems that force you into action. Things like putting your workout clothes on top of your phone before bed, or customizing your alarm. Maybe your title can be one day or day one. Laying out your planner with a sticky note that says 5-minute brain dump. Make it impossible to ignore. The more we rely on our environment to push us forward, the less we have to argue with ourselves and make excuses. If something feels like a chore, you're going to skip it. We show up when things feel meaningful. So instead of saying, I have to walk today, say I'm going to enjoy this beautiful day that God has made. Instead of saying I need to plan my day, look at it like creating the life you deserve. Discipline becomes so much easier when your why is bigger than your excuses. Listen, we're not above romanticizing things over here. So light that candle when you plan your day. Make your smoothie in a cute glass. Blast a playlist while you clean. If it feels boring, you won't want to do it. The vibes matter, so set the scene for your own consistency. You're going to fall off. It's inevitable. You are human. But the goal isn't to never fall off. The goal is how fast you get back up. Say you missed your workout. Restart. Snooze your alarm. Restart. You ate bad today, restart. No guilt, no shame, just restart. The quicker you can bounce back, the stronger you will build that discipline. Now this one is everything. Please stop the negative self-talk. Saying things like you're lazy, you can't do it, you're not capable. This mindset is holding you back. Discipline starts in how you speak to yourself, especially when things go south. So be kind, be encouraging, be the voice and the person that you needed 5 years ago. Discipline is not about being perfect. It's about being committed even when it's inconvenient. Even when you're tired, even when you're overwhelmed. Even when your bed is calling and those excuses are loud. You can become the kind of woman who shows up for herself. And you're already doing it by watching this. I want you to try one of these tips this week. Just one, and watch what happens. Because the woman you want to become, she isn't far away. She's already inside of you. And every time you show up, you pull her closer. You got this, girl. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in my next video. Bye.